Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome to the first video tutorial on Python for beginners. In this video, I will give you introduction to Python and how you can download install Python on your Windows operating system. Okay, what is Python? Python is high level interpreted language and it is one of the most popular programming language in world. It was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Python is beginner friendly because of its simplicity, similarity to the English language. Okay, next I will explain what Python can be used for and why Python. Python we are going to use it for web development, software development, mathematics, data handling and system scripting. Why Python using for this all? I'll explain for that. For web development, why we are using means like Python can power websites like YouTube or Instagram are built using Python frameworks like Django and Flask. Like YouTube and Instagram, what we are using nowadays, like those frameworks are done by Python like Django and Flasks. And software development, developers use Python to create tools and software that automate tasks and solve real time problems. For that reason, we are using for software development and data handling. Why we are using for data handling? Python is excellent for analyzing and processing big data, which is critical for fields like finance, healthcare, and marketing. And why we are using system scripting and automation. With Python, you can write scripts to automate repetitive tasks like renaming files and sending emails. And again, we can use in small projects also, like in school projects we are doing right, like you can even use in Python for simple games or cool some school projects. Okay, like this we can use. Why we are going to use means Python is a, like when compared to other language, Python is easy language, so for that reason students also can use. Okay, in and professionals how they are using means it is great for automating reports or analyzing business data, so for that reason professionals will use Python. And next I'll go and tell you why Python is so special. Okay, why Python is so special. Python has like unique features, like I'll tell you guys why Python can be so special. It has cross platform and it will be easy to learn and it is efficient and it is portable and it has interpreted language. Okay, cross platform, why we are going to tell Python has cross platform. Python works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even small devices like Raspberry Pi. This makes it very flexible. And so, for that reason, we are telling Python can use in different platforms. So, for that reason, Python we are using in cross platform also, and easy to learn. Why we are telling it is easy means its syntax looks like plain English. If you know English, then you can easily learn Python also. So it's less intimidating than other languages, and you feel like when compared to Java or C++, you feel that Python is like when compared to those languages, Python is very easy. Why? Because its syntax looks like plain English. So for that reason, we are telling Python is easy to learn, efficient. With Python, you can accomplish tasks with fewer lines of code compared to languages like Java or C++. Like before what I mentioned, like when compared to Java and other languages, in Python we have fewer lines of code. Like in Java we need to write more than lines, but when compared to those languages in Python we can easily write fewer lines of code. So for that reason we are telling it is efficient. And Python is an interpreted language. Why we are telling Python is an interpreted languages means, like Python code runs directly without needing to compile. Like in other we can do compilation like that. In Python, like we can do directly, so you can quickly test and see results as you code. If you write code, you can easily quickly get the results. So for that reason we are telling Python is an interpreted language, and it will run in multiple paradigms. Python supports different coding styles like procedural, object oriented, or functional. Function has building blocks. So, for that reason, we are telling multiple paradigms. And next, I'm going to explain. Have like have you ever used website like YouTube? Obviously we are nowadays all are using YouTube and Instagram. Those all powered by Python. Okay. And Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to the other programming language which often use semicolons or parentheses. Okay, I think you got my point. Python relies on indentation using white space to define scope, and such as the scope of the loops, functions and classes. And these are all like big topics. Like I'll comes like in Python we need like proper indentation, like white space, and defining scope. And these in Python loops, function and classes. Other programming languages often use to curly brackets for this purpose. And these next session I'll come for these classes, loops and functions. Now, like for introduction part, this all enough I think so. And um okay, let me I'll give an introduction. Let me show you guys how we can use Python. Like how we can install and download Python. You can go for Python, okay, download for Windows. If you are using Windows, then you can go for Windows, or if you are going for Mac, you can go for Mac. Yeah, option is ours. It will download in any platform. Okay, this is the thing. And if we go for download Python, now the version is available 3.13. If you download, we can see it is downloading, it is completed. We can open that one, and you can go for install now. See, it is setting up progress, it is installing all the libraries. It is better to install 64-bit, like 32-bit also available, but for our convenient and like Python is like more readability for 64-bit. For that reason, better to use 64-bit versions. Okay, guys, if you want like more videos regarding Python, please comment, like I'll continue to that. And okay, see, it is installing. Okay, like this you guys can install. It is nothing more than that. Okay. Okay guys, I'll see you next videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Please do like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel.